Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we would like to take a little bit of more of a spiritual aspect. People walk around with the feeling of loss, of grief, of estrangement, of being lonely, maybe in a new place, even being lonely within a relationship. And I think it's really important that we just take these little steps of kindness to connect with others, to help them through this journey we call life. It's not easy. It's not always something that we thought it was going to be, but I definitely think that on our own personal level, we can make sometimes other people's lives much, much better. So please, random acts of kindness, maybe post on my channel some of the random acts of kindness that you have given. And if you have received any, maybe you have had a situation where you're feeling really down and somebody has said something to you that really, really has rocked your world. So until the next one, random acts of kindness, peace.